one of those respected veterans, someone who has done so much for women's wrestling.
Oh, man.
Big Mama not impressed by anybody.
Big Mom is attempting to intimidate her opponents.
Just not a nice person.
Well, I'll tell you what. She's insulting her opponent. She's insulting the crowd. And she looks like she's ready to back it up. In fact, she just said, I'm always ready. Big Mama and Gabby circle in the ring, and they lock up.
Wow, just throwing her across the ring.
Completely across the ring like it was nothing. I don't know. I think Gabby looks like she wants to play. Is she serious?
Gabby, I don't think is ever very much serious, but that's one of the things you gotta love about her.
Absolutely, I agree with that. With that being said, she might want to think about this one.
Changing the terms.
Absolutely. Switches hands, now the mind games, and she is having fun in there.
She's making sure she put on deodorant before she came out. That's very nice of her.
Smart, I think that's courteous. But in the meantime, Big Mom is getting upset. Tickling Big Mama, tickling. Oh my
Big
goodness.
Mama with the earthquake.
Laughing so hard it knocked down everybody in the ring. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. That's hilarious. She tickled her.
That was not an earthquake.
That was not intentional. She was uncontrollably laughing from the giggle lock.
Oh! And just blocked Valentina.
Gonna take it out on Valentina. Valentina ducks under, but now it gets caught.
Oh, that looked almost like a Hurricane Run. Riley Matthews comes in, the pin, 2 counts.
Rolls her right up, almost caught her sleeping, but catches a boot right in the stomach. Blocks the suplex, blocks it again, rolls her up and hooks the leg. Valentina again trying to catch her opponent sleeping and can get in a quick pin. This time gets caught.
I told you these ladies love violence. 1, 2. Tickle to the ref. That is a pin breakup.
Big Mama picking on the ref now?
That's the one person you don't want to pick on. Oh, with a big right.
Huge forearm. And yeah, I guess that Big Mama is just an equal opportunity offender because now she's yelling over at the crowd again. I think she just yelled at a fireman. She seems to not be leaving anybody out but us, so I would watch herself. Gabby watching from the corner, hoping, got a hold of that tag rope, hoping her opponent will let up just enough, just long enough for Valentina to make it over.
Trying to reach over.
Whipped across and straight down into the bottom rope. She was thrown so hard. The velocity she threw her with, she couldn't even stand.
She's gonna cave in that throat.
Taking advantage of the 5 count and not caring one bit. And what is she gonna do now? Oh no.
How do you come back from that?
She might have a concussion. I think Big Mama was just yelling at the cameraman. This woman just wants to fight. And here she comes for a second one and nails it. Nails it, smashes her head into the turnbuckle, puts all her weight into it.
She is just not relenting. She is trying to squeeze the life out of Valentina. Gabby hoping to get the crowd behind her.
And now you can see smartly trying to wear her out while she's hurt. I think Valentina knows that if she don't get to her corner soon, that this is going to be over real quick.
Riley Matthews with a big boot.
The ref telling Big Mama to get out of the ring, but she just didn't listen. Double team action and
Just pull Valentina away from Gabby Gilbert.
who's now taking a beating in her own corner. Gabby Gilbert is helpless. Helpless to get in there and do something for her tag team partner.
I told you this was going to be vicious. I told you this was going to be violent, and they are proving that. They are just squeezing the life out of Valentina every time she tries to get up.
Force of nature and dangerous but fun, living up to their names. This has been a battle, a war.
Oh, and that is one fun double team.
Using your partner as a weapon.
And
Gabby gets in to break up the pin, saves her partner Valentina, and gets a fist in the face for her trouble. She likes to hear herself talk, doesn't she? Big Mama calling for it. And there it is.
Big leg drop. 1, 2. At what point do you just give up? What point do you say, I'm just done, like I can't take it?
Well, Big Mama brings the thunder, but I think on instinct alone, Valentina kicks out.
As she
Fighting
fights
for
her way
life.
up.
Gabby jumping up and down, trying to encourage her partner. And how much more of this can Valentina take?
Over. She's going to regret this. She's
Goes
going
for
to
the
regret
sunset
this.
flip.
Oh, and she moved.
Big Mama goes down for the drop, but nobody home. And here we go. Gabby has been tagged in. Gabby Gilbert has been tagged in. She's going after the entire.
She
Going
just
after
knocks
the entire
down
Force of Nature team.
Riley Matthews, bouncing into Big Mama, trying to take her out, and she is doing a good job. Until she gets whipped into the ring.
But Gabby Gilbert, the fresh person in the ring, gets right out of the way twice, and now they are stacked up. What's Gabby got in mind? Here she comes. One.
And Big Mama taking that.
Takes the brunt of it.
Valentina back in with the tag.
Look at that. Throws the foot down, turns it into a front face lock, face down on the mat. And now, working together, dangerous but fun has taken control. Wow. Did you see that double team? They picked the big woman up, take her down.
Can you imagine these tag teams, this title match? We've got the cups going up. Oh!
Gabby off the top gets all of it, and this could be it. Push.
Another bomb.
Gabby
1,
smartly.
2, 3.
And Big Mama goes down for the pin.
the amount of talent that is coming out for this tournament. We have Dangerous But Fun. We have Forces of Nature. We've seen Scarlet, Mother Endless. We're seeing these amazing tag team formations, Devlin and Riley.
Well,